welcome to my vlog. My name is Juhi and I'm a cabin crew who only flies to London. So it's 7 a.m. I have decided that I should start getting ready. I want to go to the market, so let's get out of the bed because it was really difficult to get out of the bed. अभी भी daylight नहीं है and you feel very lazy. Plus जब आपकी उसी दिन flight होती है later in the day, तब आपको लगता है कि नहीं और थोड़ा सा रेस्ट कर लेते हैं और थोड़ा सा, and it is good to rest, you know. I would suggest that you should rest, but मैं इसलिए बाहर जा रही हूँ कि I wouldn't fly for a long time after this flight and I wouldn't have a layover like this. I have long leaves. That's why I have planned to go out on this layover. Yeah, let's get ready and let's go. Makeup done, hair done. Now I'm gonna wear these earrings. You know, these earrings, they say that I'm so chic, but I'm not chic. I'm a chicken nugget. So I'm ready and I'm going to go downstairs. My friend's already waiting. It's kind of morning and I hope we get some sunlight, but I'm not expecting anything. That's just London weather for you. But fresh air. I love it. Quick OOTD before I go. So we have finally come out and this is my friend. Hey. So it's -1 degree right now, or we are just figuring out a way to reach the marketplace faster because we don't have the whole day. अभी हमें एक बस लेनी है, फिर वहाँ से हम दूसरी बस लेंगे. So let's go. And I can see that we are going to miss the bus. So we have reached the terminal bus station and the next bus is going to come in 11 minutes. But first we are going to get some coffee. Add CBD oil. Is it? Yes. Preparing your order. Already in the bus and I think we'll reach in half an hour, 20 minutes, and luckily we got the front seat so that I can show you the way. It's really beautiful because it's fall right now और वादियों में जो मज़ा है वो कहीं नहीं है. अभी टाइम हो रहा है 8:45 और हम लोगों को वापस होटल पहुंचना है अराउंड 2 o'clock. So we have enough time. ये जो ट्रैफिक लाइट्स है इनके ऊपर इन्होंने कवर लगा दिया बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है यूजुअली लोग पेंट फेंक देते हैं सो दैट ट्रैफिक लाइट्स दिखे ही ना. So they have covered it. It's looking nice.
bunkers for the safekeeping of soldiers. So maybe Uxbridge के यहाँ पे वो bunkers थे, and now they've probably gone underground, and you know roads and houses have been built. But then as a marking, they've marked कि यहाँ पे bunkers है. Maybe, I don't know, maybe.
So we are going
Underneath us, you never know. It's because ये सब तो नया build हुआ है ना. It's probably from the dinosaur ages when the wars were going on. Those bunkers are probably underneath these. I don't know. Maybe.
Thank you for that information.
So pretty.
Hello, so I'm back in the hotel and I'm really tired because we walked a lot, more than 10,000 steps. We had a great time. I could see all the Christmas decorations and there were a lot of events going on. It was so much fun. I did a little Christmas shopping as well. I'll show that to you later. Right now, it's 2 p.m. and I have just 1 hour to rest, and by 3 I have to start getting ready. So right now I'm going to pack my bags, just rest for a while, and I will see you soon. Hello everyone, so I'm finally home. I'm going to show you what all I got. तो ये जो मैंने शॉपिंग करी है ये अलग अलग टाइम पे करी है. एंड सॉरी फॉर द नॉइज आउटसाइड. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. मैंने बचपन से इतने घर शिफ्ट करे हैं. नोएडा में, दिल्ली में, अलग अलग जगह रही हूँ. एवरीवेयर कंस्ट्रक्शन होना ही होता है. आई वुडंट से आई एम फेड अप, मतलब आई वॉज ओके विद इट. आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है आवाज़ आएगी, बट बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ आती है पीछे से और it's not nice. I bought from Primark, M&S, TK Maxx, etc. ये वीडियो मैं बहुत टाइम बाद बना रही हूँ, तो आधी से ज़्यादा चीज़ें I've already worn them, used them, so that I can tell you कि मुझे कैसा लग रहा है. बाहर बहुत gloomy weather है, just like my mental state, और मैंने इसलिए लाइट लगा रखी है अपने सामने. I have on multiple trip to London और मैंने बहुत चीज़ें खरीदी अलग अलग टाइम पे जाके. एक ही लेबर पे मैंने नहीं खरीदा है बेसिकली. अभी मुझे बहुत गर्मी लग रही है इस लाइट के सामने, सो आई एम गोना रिमूव दिस. सबसे पहले मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी कि मैंने अपने फैमिली के लिए क्या क्या गिफ्ट्स खरीदे. सो आई बॉट, मेरी मम्मी को बहुत टाइम से एक बैग चाहिए था, हैंड बैग. इट्स फ्रॉम प्राइमार्क और मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट्स लाइक अ बर्किन बैग, बट ये बहुत स्मार्ट है और मतलब ऑफिस ले जाने के लिए दिस इज द बेस्ट बैग. सो आई रियली लाइक इट एंड आई रियली लव दिस कलर. इट्स वेरी क्लासी. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज माई मॉम लव्स इट. बट उनको मैंने ये दिए हुए हो गए होंगे, एक महीना हो गया, बट शी हैज़ नॉट येट यूज्ड इट बिकॉज जैसे हमारी मॉम्स होती है उनको सब नए साल में यूज़ करना है बिकॉज ये नया बैग है. इट हैज़ एन इंसर्ट लाइक दिस. इसमें आप अपना लैपटॉप वगैरह रख सकते हैं. माई मॉम समटाइम्स शी गेट्स हर लैपटॉप होम. इट हैज़ सेक्शंस inside this. It has a handle and a shoulder handle. So there is one more thing that I gifted my mom is a robe. जब मम्मी सुबह उठ के ऑफिस जाने से पहले काम वगैरह करती है तो उस टाइम पे ऐसे बहुत सारे कपड़े पहन के नहीं कर सकती. यू जस्ट नीड वन लेयर. तो मुझे लगा दिस विल बी वेरी हैंडी फॉर हर. सो लाइट चली गई है और बैकअप आने में टाइम लगेगा, सो ऐसे ही देख लो. तो दिस इज़ द रोब. दिस इज़ सो सॉफ्ट. मतलब वैसे ही मैं बहुत क्लिंगी हूँ और मैं मम्मी को हमेशा पकड़ के रखती हूँ. शी इज़ ऑलवेज लाइक दूर हो जाओ. बट व्हेन शी वेयर्स दिस मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं उनकी चटनी बना दूँ. और वो बहुत यूज़ कर रही है ये. आई एम लविंग इट. ये मैंने खरीदा है TK Maxx से. Now let me show you what I got for my sister. I gifted her 2 things और उसमें से एक चीज़ वो आज ऑफिस पहन के गई है, so I won't be able to show you that. Pair of boots. उसको knee high boots चाहिए थे बहुत टाइम से. And I have something very similar, so I can show that to you. It's actually identical. एक दो minor differences हैं. This is what I have और मैंने उसको सेम यही चीज़ दिया है. It's just that मेरे boots में ये आगे से angular है, उसका थोड़ा सा rounded है, थोड़ा सा. And then the second thing that I bought for her is a pajama set for winters. This is the pajama set that I bought. She didn't have a matching pajama set, so I wanted to gift her that. And मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा because again it's very soft because it's I think velvet. What material is this? Polyester. She loves this. वो बहुत पहनती है ये, तो उसे ये बहुत पसंद है. And let's move on to the gift that I bought for my uncle and aunt, जिनके यहाँ मैं Christmas celebrate करती थी बचपन से. I got these for my aunt. This is like a set of bath and body care. This is from a brand called Baileys and Harding. It's a London brand. It's like a pamper hamper and I hope उनको ये पसंद आए. I'm going to give her this soon, right before Christmas. For my uncle, I bought this set. It's a very classy pouch. I really liked it and there are 3 products. It has like a face wash, a hair and body wash, aftershave balm. I hope he liked this. This is also from the brand called Baileys and Harding. I bought something for myself for this Christmas. I was planning not to buy anything because मैं already इतना पैसे खर्च करती हूँ अपने ऊपर. But I still bought this thing and I did not have something like this in my wardrobe. This is a coat from M&S. I've already worn this a couple of times. This is a beautiful woolen coat. मतलब मैं अगर सिर्फ एक क्रॉप टॉप भी पहनूँ और उसके ऊपर ये पहनूँ, I can survive in 7 degrees, 3 degrees also. This is so warm. Grey goes with a lot of colors. Black is very common, so I bought this one. I also got these 2 things. This is a shimmery stocking.
I really wanted to style this in Christmas. I bought this. Now this we have seen everywhere on Instagram, और अगर कोई वायरल चीज़ होती है तो मुझे वो खरीदने के लिए like 100 बार सोचना पड़ता है, because I'm always like skeptical, you know, कि अच्छा होगा या नहीं. I bought it. I was like देखी जाएगी जो होगा, and I used it. मैं एक दिन ऑयलिंग कर रही थी and I used it on my hair like यहाँ पे, but जब मैंने इसको यहाँ यूज़ किया, it's like it massages your nerve endings, you know, and you feel so relaxed. It's weirdly nice. Like, I love it. The thing is, if you don't have anyone to do chumpy on your hair, you can use this. So my mom used it like this, and she's like, what nonsense. But I told her use it here, yahan, and she's like, अच्छा है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि इसको खरीदना ही खरीदना पड़ेगा, but you can use it if you want to, otherwise just let it go. I want to show you a gift that I got this year in Christmas. So I visited my friend and she gifted me something. This is the bag that she gifted me. Can you see? It's velvet. I love it. I love it because ऐसा मेरे पास bag नहीं है. It'll go with so many of my outfits and I love animal print. I don't know उसको ये पता था मेरे बारे में या फिर, I mean, I don't think we know each other's favorite color. We just know each other's trauma and, you know, life. Very cute bag. So yeah, this was all of my Christmas shopping and I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel also and liking every video. It means a lot to me and बहुत अच्छा होता है ये मेरे motivation के लिए, and I'll keep posting more. I'm very new to this vlogging and everything and I enjoy it. I enjoy editing. I enjoy recording everything. I enjoy showing you my perspective of things and I hope you like everything that I show you. और अगर आपको नहीं पसंद आ रहा है तो you can give me suggestions, any recommendations, and if you have any questions you can also DM me on Instagram. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.